Hello everyone. Today we will start with definition of FYM and its method. FYM. It refers to the decomposed mixture of dung and urine of farm animals along with the litter and leftover material from the roughage or the fodder fed to the cattle. It contains 0.5% nitrogen, 0.2% phosphorus and 0.5% potash. There are the different factors which are affecting on the quality of FI. In that, first one is a source of manure, second one is food of animal, then next is age and condition of animal, then function of animal, then nature and proportion of animal. When we'll see the first point, that is source of manure, which is varies according to the kind of animal. The poultry when we are going to use different manure for the FIM preparation. For example, poultry manure contain higher percentage of nitrogen as compared to the other manures, or followed by the sheep and goat manure. Dung is normally highest in phosphorus content and urine is highest in nitrogen and potash content. So when the manure is prepared by using highest amount of urine, that time that manure contain highest amount of nitrogen and potash. Next one is the food. When animal is allowed to feed with food content or food material which is rich in a protein content, that time the manure is rich in a nitrogen. Next, age and condition of animal. When young animal is used for the manure, used as a source of manure, that time whatever the manure is produced through the young animal is contain higher percentage of, it contain less percentage of nutrient as compared to the old age animal. And also sick animal gives richer manure than healthy animal. Next, function of the animal. Milch animal utilize all the protein, hence it gives manure with poor content of nitrogen, phosphorus and potash, while draft animal gives higher percentage of nitrogen, phosphorus and potash because it utilizes the carbohydrate. Next one is nature and proportion of litter, which is depend upon the straw or kind of straw which is given to the manure, which given to the animal, which affect on quality of manure. For example, bajra rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, followed by the wheat and maize. And the last one is preservation. When you are going to use ordinary storage for the preservation of manure or FIM, that time it loses the nitrogen content or potash content through the leaching process. Next is methods of FIM preparation. There are three methods of FIM preparation. In that, first one is a pit method, second heap method, third one is box method. This is the picture which shows the diagram, or diagram of a pit method or trench method of FIM preparation. Next is proce- uh, procedure of FIM preparation by the pit method, which is recommended by the CN Acharya. The dimension of pit is 6 by 1.5 by 1 meter. Then floor of pit should be sloped one-sided, and 4 kg of straw and FIM waste spread that should be soaked in a cattle urine. The material should be filled up to 30 centimeter deep into pit. Every day layering of composting material get down and should be covered with a soil of dimensions 2 centimeter deep. When the section is filled up to height about 0.5 to 1 meter above the top above, and the top is plastered with a cow dung and mud. After 2 months, second pit is allowed to fill. Next is heap method. This is a picture which showing heap method for the FI preparation. The procedure is, it is recommended in a heavy rainfall area. Heap is prepared on a above ground and the manure yard situated on high lying site. Everyday material is arranged layer by layer. Each layer is equal length and width with the height of 30 centimeter. When the heap reaches up to 2-meter height, it plastered with a soil and cow dung. The manure is prepared in a 4 to 5. Next is box method. Cattle shed is itself used for the preparing and storing of FYM. Floor of shade is dung. Floor of shade is dug about zero point 0.5 to 1 meter below ground level, and the straw and other refuges are allowed and to spread and allowed to soak urine. Refuges are allowed to trampled under the animal feet of animal in shade. The process continues till the sunken portion rises slightly above the ground level and the manure is dug out and applied to the